Hello, my name is Karl. I'm a patient of Dr. Ho's and have been so for almost a year. And I came to Dr. Ho because I have Crohn's disease, which is a gastrointestinal condition that also produces a great deal of arthritis and arthritic pain. I was somewhat skeptical of chiropractors in general. However, I trusted in Dr. Ho, have been seeing him on a weekly basis, and have found a tremendous improvement in my body motion, balance, flexibility, and it's allowed me to continue and even start new activities that I haven't been able to do before. Dr. Ho has also helped treat my wife and my oldest daughter who competes in martial arts. He's phenomenal with active, sports-oriented people, and I'm just really grateful for what he's done. Thanks, Dr. Ho.